This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership. This matters. Gather the receipt, device serial or IMEI, and the Google account email you used. Once done, power the device, keep it charged, and connect to reliable Wi-Fi so official tools can communicate. Make sure you can receive emails or two-step codes on the recovery phone or account. These items let you follow legitimate recovery paths and show manufacturers or Google support that you are the rightful owner. Next, use the official recovery and support channels rather than any bypass. Go to Google Account Recovery and follow the prompts using your email, phone, or recovery address. This verifies identity. If that fails, contact the device maker with the proof of purchase and IMEI. They can remove locks via authorized service. Once you arrange service, the center may require ID and original paperwork. This protects owners and prevents unauthorized access, so cooperate fully. Finish by scheduling service or following the manufacturer's guided remote unlock if available. Technicians will confirm ownership before action. Make sure you update account passwords and recovery options afterward so you can access the device directly. If things go wrong, file an official support ticket and attach clear photos of the receipt, device box, and IMEI. Meanwhile, avoid third-party bypass tools. Those void warranties and may be illegal. This lawful route protects your data and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.